Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a slime haul. I have 4 slimes to show you today, and I'm just going to start. Hold on guys, I forgot to put the glue away. So I'm going to start with the first one that I made on the other video, which just said slime with an exclamation point, which is this blue slime, and I'm going to just open this. Okay, it's actually kind of sticky. So this is the slime, and it's really stretchy and really pokey, I think. Yeah, guys, I'm just gonna do a close-up and satisfying. This is my light blue slime. I do have a dark blue slime that I just made in the last video, slime time 8. But yeah, this is a really stretchy slime and really pokey and super crunchy. So let's do every single test. We already did stretchy, pokey, and crunchy. Wait, this is stretchy actually. So yeah, now we're gonna try to make a bubble with it. Here's the bubble. It's a little tiny bubble, but that's okay. So yeah, that's that slime, and then the next, it's very farty. The next slime is the second one I made on the video. It's this one. It is white, and it's in this container. It is like really stretchy. And let's do a close-up on it, and I don't know which video this was from, but because I made 3 or 2 white slimes before. I know this isn't the tiny one, so I've made 2. One. Okay, so let's do a pokey test. No stretchy. Okay, now we're gonna try to make a bubble, and I forgot Instagram swirl for this one, but that's fine. Okay, ready? Guys, I made 2 bubbles. Now we're gonna see the crunchy. Okay, guys, that was this one, and we're gonna put this in the container. And now for the second slime, the third slime, we're actually gonna do the yellow one. So this is the first one I did with lotion inside, so let's open this up. Okay, it kind of looks greenish, but it's yellow. So here it is, and it's my favorite slime I ever made. I made this one yesterday, and listen. And now we're gonna do crunchy test. It's way more yellow, not super yellow, but like a lighter yellow. Okay, this one doesn't really make the bubbles, but yeah. And I'm actually going to put some more lotion in it because it's kind of getting hard. So the lotion I use for my slime is super smooth body lotion, and I love to put it on my hands. So I'm going to put it up.
pause that?
Yeah.